Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this live stream. Man, 7 likes already. I like that. Hey, how you doing, Marcia?
It's Friday then. Sorry, Saturday. What?
Oh, you know what? You forgot to put that. We forgot to play that, man. We got to keep that. We got to keep that for Friday and just play that one song, right? Because
Yeah, the video.
we always try to
I
sing that
know.
song and we're like, whatever, guys. We should keep our day job, right? That's what people are saying.
Exactly.
Oh
When
man.
I'm coming back on Saturday, so we have to sort out also the mixer because we need to have those sounds ready because it's so funny.
For sure, for sure. Oh my goodness. Wow. So we got a death cross, right? Yay.
Yay. We gotta talk
Oh
about that.
damn.
I mean, technically, there is also the good news. I mean, Hopium, open always. They
Yeah.
they say it's a lagging indicator. So
Turn on that
I
tank.
mean,
Turn on the tank on full blast now. Full blast.
exactly.
Oh
So
damn. Cause
it is what it is,
man,
but
we need it. We need it because Bitcoin is like headed down. But you know what? As much as it's going down, it's not going down as much as all the other cryptos.
true.
Like I mean, the the what's it called? The dominance chart is just screaming, "Get the f out! Get the f out! Just get out!
That's
Get into
true.
Bitcoin."
That's true. Ooh, you know
Crazy.
what I forgot to put? I've just realized now I forgot to add a tab into the today's show, which is the April Fool. I fell into it completely when
Oh
Bitcoin
really?
priced in gold.
Yeah, yeah,
Remember?
that's right. The price in gold. Because I'm looking at it and like, there's something
We'll
off with
talk
that
about it.
chart.
Man, they got me so well with that chart.
Yeah,
I'll try to find it now and then we
yeah.
can talk about it.
They got Mr. M, but hit the like and hit the subscribe on Mr. M because you know he's got a good podcast happening there. So, hey,
Thank you.
you know what? You got the same headphones kind of deal too on your
Yeah,
picture
yeah,
there.
that is that
These are
pair.
good ones.
Best, man. Made in Germany.
Yeah.
Best headphones ever. But yeah, they
Well,
got me. We're gonna talk about it. It's
yeah,
so
definitely,
funny.
definitely. All right, let's get on with the news today. The death cross.
Let's do it. It is. Are you tired of winning? It's dead. Let me click on this. You can see it. Dead.
Yeah, if you like shorting, yeah, you're probably tired of winning. Yeah, shorting.
Yeah.
But even
Do you
shorts,
remember?
man, getting brutalized, man. Chop, man. That was horrible for
Do,
Solana and Bitcoin.
horrible. Do you remember during the election when Trump was saying, "We're gonna win so much, you're gonna be tired of winning"? Yeah, he tired now. Man, the old time thing killed him. It was really funny. I mean, again, if you compare the S&P 500 index on inauguration day, Trump, bam, compared to the other presidency, Obama and Sleeping Joe, you can see
Yeah,
for
well,
now,
it's a good thing that he's doing it now because then in 4 years he could always be like remembered for pumping it because it can't last forever, especially if you push the markets down all the way. If you push it hard down and you get it down, then they have to find a bottom, and then it's reversing from there.
indeed, yeah. So overall, I think it might be hurting now, but I think for the good, it's going to change. Here's some hopium of the day. This is the power law, which I discuss extensively on my video. I have on the channel. There is a price prediction. You can see we are into a channel up there going up, and you can see also in different colors, in purple and green, previous cycles. And we are kind of at this band, which technically is supposed to be the lower band of the cycle. We still have to pop out, pop off, and go into the upper band of the power law. So by
Turn on that
by looking
opium
at this
tank.
chart,
Just
Yeet, 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 yeet.
100%. Ah, damn.
I mean, okay, this is hopium on its beauty, but it looks like we just retested here, right? And we are about to blast off. So just saying, maybe there is light at the end of the tunnel. There's another example. You
Yeah,
can
but it's a
see
train, freight train. That's
exactly. You can see it here, right?
yeah.
That
This
this
is the
talks about
freight train.
the death cross. Yeah, I mean technically lags. So ideally, we will technically, right? If the hopium is full speed, this could indicate that we already seen the price drop, and we are now about to go. I don't know where. I don't know where we're gonna go. There's
No,
somewhere, guys.
it doesn't work that way. If we have a death cross, that means that price action is going to go down.
Yeah, I know.
And it
180 days, by the way, signaling weakened momentum. Historically, the pattern has preceded 3 to 6 months of bearish trends. See, like I don't know, man. It's still I have the claws attached to it.
yeah, exactly.
But
You hanging on for dear life for that hopium, man.
indeed, and I mean, historically speaking, April is actually a good month. But if you look into this cycle, even February was supposed to be a good month, but it was terrible. So I don't know. We could see some. And by the way, even just like a sideways, even now, like 8-ish, 70-ish, could be enough to board everyone. Because if the price moves in either ways, up and or down, people are going to trade it. There is interest. But if we just stay in the 80s for all summer, man, the sentiment is going to be so bad because nobody's going to trade it, and people are going to think, oh, we're going lower. We're going to see whatever 40,000 Bitcoin, thinking we're in a bear market. We're going to correct 60% and yada yada.
It is what it is.
Yeah, it's gonna be bad. Yeah, for that one for sure. But hey, look at this. More hopium. Opening the tank. If you connect all the tops into a line, to a parallel, whatever you want to call it, this indicates that the top could be around 220,000. And again, we are doing the staircase, right? Slowly and steady on the way up. So
Yep.
it could be in the charts.
Staircase to hell. Let's see. Let's see if we go all the way up. That would be nice, right? 3 months
That would
from
be
now, BTC will reach to 26K. Yeah, 260K or $260.
It's 260 something. 260 something.
Damn.
I mean, how likely do you see the 220 coming in? Maybe like December, November, maybe even February next year. Do you think it's still in the cards?
Dude, man, it should be. But here's the thing, right? Until we turn around, start making higher highs, we are in trouble, right? Well, at least we're still in a bearish bull market overall, right? Overall, we're still bullish, right? Even though we're down, right? We don't really like get into bearish territory until we break down below the 73K ish area, and so that would be okay. We're done probably, right? There's very little. The probability decreases. If we go below 73K, the probability of reaching the 220K decreases significantly.
Yeah. And I mean, let's assume, because I mean, it's possible down to a degree. Excuse me, everything is possible. But let's assume 108 was indeed the top, okay, which I don't believe, but let's say 108 was the top. Well, then if we correct 50%, well, then where are we going to? 50,000?
Doesn't
So
matter.
it's not as bad as,
I'm not
right?
bearish on Bitcoin, right? I'm not. I'm saying that the charts say, oh, excuse me, sorry. The charts say basically this. Hey, price action indicates that we're having lower lows and lower highs. And so effectively that's bearish for Bitcoin for a while. Now, overall, if you look at the this chart here, we're got a lot of higher highs and higher lows. That's bullish, right?
Yep.
Done. So effectively, the real okay, that's it, it's game over kind of deal is below 56 there. You see, because then that breaks that low. That's, I mean, it's like lights out.
Yeah, fair enough. And I agree, by the way, there is a difference in between saying there is a bearish moment or a bearish phase, which we've seen throughout every single bull run. Like nothing goes up in a straight line. And we are indeed into a bearish phase, I agree, but we are still in a bull market. I agree.
Yes.
So at some point, but like you said, at some point, it has to pop out. Otherwise, this is going to be invalidated, right? It's not going to make sense. Hash rate is all-time high. I don't know if you can see it here, which is always positive because the hash rates indicates network is safe and secure. And look at this. Boom. Amazing. So that's positive. Again, if you look into the fundamentals, Bitcoin is doing Bitcoin as well as 2009. Nothing has changed. Solid. Network is up. It's not sometimes up. It's up all the time. So it's positive. So the fundamentals haven't changed. It's just the price is moving around. I guess news and Trump with the tariffs has impacted it massively lately. We've seen, I think a couple of days ago, we flirted with 89 almost. We've seen a drop to 80, was it 81? We've seen a $8,000 in like 24 hours. Crazy volatility.
Exactly.
But not just Bitcoin, to be honest. S&P and all the other stuff. You just have to hold on to that one, right?
Thanks, Bullish Mike, for joining us today. Appreciate you coming out. Oh man, yeah.
How are we doing with likes?
The likes, we got 46. Can we get another 20? What? Like, let's get 4 more, and then we'll look back at it. Okay, 4 more likes, guys. Just 4 likes. It's simple. Just hit the like button.
Nice.
For us. Thank you.
Yeah, we can do it. Interesting enough, look at this. Solana surpasses all other chains in a 24-hour DAX volume. Wow, 2.4 billion.
Yeah, and they surpassed all the chains in downward movement.
On the way down.
Damn. Yes, they surpassed all the chains in the last 24-hour downward. Damn.
Yeah, they got all the titles for that one.
Slapped.
Damn. But what's interesting is the Solana versus Ethereum there, 1.8 billion versus 2.4. Okay, BSC and Base, okay, they have a small amount, even though BSC is kind of almost there with Ethereum. So, very interesting. Do you think, if you take away the memes to Solana, do you think the volume would be bigger than Ethereum, or
no?
do you reckon this
Without
is because
the
of
memes,
the
they're done.
Yeah.
Yeah, the memes
Like,
keeping it alive, right?
I agree. I agree. Survey. This is a good discussion. 1 in 5 US adults now use cryptocurrency. This is interesting because if you compare it to other places like Brazil, 42% have bought crypto. Survey said.
Double the amount.
Double the amount, yeah. So 50% versus 20%.
Yeah.
And if you think about why, is because, of course, people in Brazil, they don't have exposure to the US dollar, which is the strongest of the currencies, and they want to go and just find a safe haven not to lose to inflation. 42% is way higher than I thought it was. That's interesting.
Makes sense. Yeah. I was meeting people when I went to visit Brazil, and I was teaching them how to use Bitcoin, right? Paying for, I even gave them stuff to pay to help them so I could pay them in Bitcoin, and they loved it.
I bet, yeah. How much do you think of those 42% have altcoins as opposed to Bitcoin?
I don't know. We'd have to do some research on that.
Because I feel like
Exactly.
I think mostly will be altcoins. And guys, put one in the chat if you have no Bitcoin in your portfolio. Put one. If you have no Bitcoin, put one in the chat. Because I believe most of the people will have altcoins as opposed to Bitcoin. Because in the altcoins, you have more gains, right? The more gains is the illusion of, oh, it's cheaper, I can get more. And I think people in Brazil would probably, maybe even Tether or USDC or stable coins of some sort as opposed to Bitcoin. I think that's my gut feeling, but they might go and say, hey, instead of
We,
keeping the local currency, I want the Tether.
yeah, we have one guy saying, "Oh yeah, it's going to 40K," and he doesn't have any, and yeah, quite a few people don't have any. So it is, it is what it is, right? A lot of people don't have any gold either. So
Yeah.
and they'll be like, it's funny how, right? When I bought Bitcoin, I'm lucky, right? I'm lucky, right? And it's you could be lucky too. Just buy and hold Bitcoin, right? But you won't be. Most of you guys, I always say, most of you guys will not be considered legends by your family, right? It is what it is, right? Because the pie, right, of wealth, right, is always goes to people who do their work and do the actual work and do something to get that piece of that pie, the big piece of the pie.
Yeah.
And if you're not willing to do what you need to do, right? Well, then if you're not going to get what you think you want, right? You're dreaming of, right? So, for example, it's more than just holding Bitcoin, right? It's learning not to spend as well. So, right? And so, saving Bitcoin and not spending it are two things that you need to do, right? And those two things are very, very difficult, very difficult. So, most people can't do it, and so most people won't be called legend.
Exactly. And there is a quote that I love that I say it all the time that says, luck is truly when preparation meets opportunity. So, like you said, you can too be lucky, indeed. And look at this. I found it down in the end. It says, the survey explained, blah, blah, blah. It says the percentages, and it goes, the platform said the 30% of the users now have holding in at least 3 different crypto assets. So it's a big percentage of people. And I'm willing to gamble that the Bitcoin portion of that portfolio is going to be so small as opposed to, I don't know, maybe even Tether, like I said, Tether, Ethereum, Solana,
Yeah,
XRP,
exactly.
Cardano, those cryptos, right? That's really interesting, that's to say the least. This is nonsense. I mean, we discussed yesterday about the EU and all their plan to do the backpack of emergencies and all that shenanigans. And now they want to sue Elon Musk X for disinformation. This is amazing.
Okay, yeah, so it's
Wow.
clear that you are not responsible for what somebody else posts on your platform. This has already been debated, it's already been done with. Why are you going here? Right? Done. Finished. Okay?
Yeah.
Disinformation is BS. If somebody believes that aliens came down and started eating people, right? And we say no, that's their choice. We don't have to listen to that person. And if you say that's disinformation, what? What?
Yeah.
It's only disinformation because it's true. That's why you're calling it disinformation.
Yeah, because I think they realize they cannot control Elon because he is for the free speech and all those things. So they are now attacking him and saying, remember some of the parliamentaries in the UE, in the EU, sorry, they were saying, oh, if even Kamala was talking about the fact that they have to stop X and it's getting out of control and they have to obey to the rules as much as all the other social media and blah blah blah. So I think there is definitely interest in controlling, flow of information coming through. And I don't. If you think about it for a second, when internet was propagated before that, they only had newspapers, so they could control everything, right? So there was TV, radio, but it was very well, easy to control. You go to the newspaper and you say, hey, if you don't
Exactly.
follow what I'm telling you to do, I know who you are and I'll make you follow the rules.
Exactly. Yeah, you'll follow the rules. Don't worry.
Exactly. Here's a cookie. Don't worry. It's fine. But yeah, this is interesting. I wonder how this is going to turn out because Elon is not going to bend the knee
No.
according to what he wants to say. All right, are you ready for this? ETFs. There was a little bit of a. Let me go up so you guys can see it. There was a little
There's a
bit of a
pump.
hope. There was a hope on
And then wiped it
April
out.
2nd, and then wiped it out on April 3rd, right there. So yeah, if you scroll down, I mean, we did see a good moment, but those numbers are really small. Like, remember when we had 1 billion in one day? 1 billion, guys. 1 billion. And I was like 89, 26 million, 11, like really small. And we barely keep it in the green because, again, the only one who bought was, again, BlackRock. I mean, important to remember, BlackRock does not hold. I mean, yeah, they do have it, but technically it's retail and companies, not BlackRock itself, but they are the custodian while everyone else is selling. So it's a bit depressing. We are still in a green moment, I would say. Like the numbers are positive. We have a 0.2% in the green
Just
in
by a
April.
smidge. We're hanging on. We're hanging on.
Hanging on
For
for a
dear
friend.
life.
Damn, February was depressing. I would have never guessed ever that we would have gone minus 18 almost. So still in the positive. And fear and greed, man. Have you seen the number?
No.
28.
Snap.
28.
Snap.
Okay, here's the catch. How do you feel about Bitcoin at $83,000 and fear at 28? I think it's fantastic.
Yeah, I guess so. Oh man. Wow.
If you open the gas, it's fantastic, right?
Exactly. I know. I know. We need a lot of gas.
Yeah, gas on that one.
Wow. Wow. Oh boy.
But just to put it in perspective, and I mean, I had a lot of hopium this morning, but to put it in perspective, like a few years ago, people would have dreamed of $80,000 Bitcoin, and they would have been in massive greed, right? Massive greed. So,
Okay. Yeah, yeah. I want to talk about medieval empires because you know what, this guy reminded me I should talk about it because I haven't talked about it. I do play the game and stuff like that. And so yeah, why don't we discuss that? So medieval empires is a game that I'm invested in. It's obviously down heavily, but the token, but hey, you know what? That's just the way we're in a bear market, so right. But it will eventually come around because these guys they're building this game. This game's coming out, and so yeah, you just have to wait for it for it to happen. Now, if you're interested in joining us in this game, right, you can join me. Right, I'm gonna provide a link for this. Actually, let me do it right here. It's Why don't we go to medieval empires? Oops, I'm gonna just switch screens here. Da Vinci. I think it's no. Actually, you can go /me dot davincij15.com.
nice.
Is that going to take us there? Yep, there we go.
Mm-hmm.
MEE, right? And then, yeah, just if you want to log in and stuff like that. But anyways, yeah. So if you follow my referral code and you play on my land, I'll give you some free me tokens and stuff like that. So join my lands, right? You could easily find my lands on there. Yeah, you could just click around and find the lands. And if you join them and you play on my lands, well, yeah, there will be some free money for y'all. So I've got a lot of me tokens to give away. So I'm
Nice.
glad to do it. So join. Yeah, if you guys play, there are certain lands. There's one land that I'm giving away like $1,000 if you guys get to a certain level. Right, almost $1,000. It's just like it priced in me tokens is close to $1,000. So, yeah. All right, guys. So make sure you join me on Medieval Empires. Okay. With that said, we're gonna
Yeah.
be going back into that zone.
Uh-oh.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
We're going to be seeing what happened over the last few days. And you know what? Honestly, my tweet probably kept this alive right here. Make
Really?
sure if you lose money on these things, right, it's your fault. But this is just, the degen section, right? And when I tweeted this out, right, I thought I said, please don't buy this. But people bought it anyways, right? And so,
Of course.
and then we got a double, of course, but it's still alive, and I think it's gonna stay alive only because I'm sure that it'd been bold in the person who's created this to keep it going, right? And rather than rug the goddamn thing, right? Because
Yeah, fair enough.
right. So I guess that's a
Groceries.
good thing. That's a good thing, right? So, but doesn't mean it's never gonna rug. So keep that in mind. And we got paid. We also got paid on house.
Nice.
And
Nice.
so, yeah, I wonder what's this? This is the tits or something like that. Something happened here. It's not saying unknown or
Some
something like that.
some deeds double.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man.
I know exactly.
So
It's so
technically the portfolio
crazy.
should be so technically we should be in the green, right? Technically.
Wait a second, Daddy gave us a payday of 1
No
Solana.
way. No way.
Way. No. Oh no, it's open orders. Never mind.
Oh
Never
man.
mind. Never mind.
I was like, 1 Solana, we are rich, man. We are rich. We are rich.
Oh damn.
Wow.
$100.
Wow.
We're rich.
You said 1 Solana, I almost passed out. Oh
Yeah,
my
exactly.
God. So much money. That's
Damn. All right. So, anyways, no, it's tits, house, and groceries. We got paid.
funny.
We haven't gotten paid on
House and
this one, but
groceries.
look, this thing's not in the shitter.
Teats, house and groceries, everything I need.
Did somebody say that? Oh
No, I
my
said
god.
it now.
Yeah.
I was thinking about it. If you're in a house, you need teats, you need groceries. That's it. You set
Wow. Wow.
the
Yeah.
Trinity.
Yeah, you got the tits, houses, and groceries. That's it. Good.
That's it.
Good to go. Let's take a look at our what is it? House?
Let's see.
Man. What
Wow,
was it called?
100%. Holy,
I don't know if that's it.
unbelievable.
Hang on a second.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch the cameras. Damn, 100% on house. Damn.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's because Solana is going down too much. Otherwise, we will be
Is this house coin?
popping
There it
champagne.
is, yeah. Yeah, we were up 100%. And you
One
had no
house, one
faith. You had
No,
zero
I had no.
faith.
I had no faith. Oh, they're saying Bruno is up. Bruno? Really?
What?
Didn't we eat the horse?
Bruno?
Oh, did we sell Bruno?
I don't know
I
if
think
we
we
sold
sold it.
Bruno. No, we didn't.
We didn't. See,
Where
I had
was
faith
Bruno?
in Bruno. Bruno is gonna
I
secure
don't
the
see Bruno.
bloodline.
What the hell is this? I don't remember being print.
I don't
Printer.
know, man.
Printer just came out of nowhere.
Yes, sometimes probably people send you stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Roger. Man, remember Vibe Cat in Moscow?
Oh yeah. Vibecat man just went all over the place, man. Damn. That was vibing.
Yeah.
A bag of many things.
So I don't think we jelly. I think we saw Bruno, man.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, I think we did.
No, I don't think so.
Because we said the horse is dead. Remember? Man,
Is this it? Bruno? Which
there
one
was a photo of the horse. I think it's the one. Yeah, that one. No, it pumped.
Come on, it's 18K. Of course it's gonna pump.
Bruno, man. Bruno is gonna retire the bloodline.
It's gonna pump from what? Let's zoom in on that. Let's zoom in on that a little bit.
Like a DJN 15 minutes.
Exactly.
Ooh, pump. Look at that. Look at that pump.
Look at that
Boom.
pump, right? Oh my gosh! It's like you got 18K market cap, $18,000 market cap.
Bruno's gonna do it, man. Bruno's gonna do it. Now it's correcting a little bit, but
Yeah.
yeah.
Should we get more?
Yeah. Yes. I mean, you see that retest there on the left? There is like a zone of kind of before the dump. I think we're retesting that part there. Big pump, man. Big pump in Bruno. I'm telling you. He's gonna do it. He's gonna do it.
Damn.
I got you a piece of Bruno.
Let's get another bag of this nonsense. Who knows? Maybe it will retire a bloodline.
Let's get another bag of this nonsense. That's the best way to stay. Guys, we're buying Bruno. Please, for the love of God, don't buy. Oh, we have Bruno. Do we have Bruno?
Yeah. We're gonna get some more. We're gonna load the boat. Look how much we're gonna get. Bruno deep. We're gonna get 600,000 Brunos.
Fantastic,
dude.
That's the way, man.
We are going to be rich when this thing goes to $1.
When Bruno is going to $1, we'll have $60,000. That sounds like a plan.
We have $600,000, man. Jesus.
Is that the only Bruno we have? We don't have any more Bruno. We only have 60,000, or we have more?
Well, no, we have another 64,000.
So 120.
We bought it a lot higher. So, did we ever put any protection on Bruno? No, we probably didn't. Jelly pose. No, we went in raw. We went in raw on the horse, man. Jesus.
Speed on that thing. Oh boy! By the way, she's been apparently she's not being charged for the rug. I was reading the other day.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So.
Congratulations.
All right, I'm going to start thinking about what we want to do with $60,000. I'm going to manifest that into the universe.
No,
Bruno is going to go to $1.
Bruno, we got more than 64,000, don't we?
I think we sold it, man. I think we sold all the Bruno.
No, we didn't. We had 64,000 of them, so we got another 600,000. Okay. So there it is. So what we need to do, so right now, Bruno wiped us out by 90%, right?
Jesus.
So we decided to buy some more, like jacks we are, right?
90%.
Yeah.
That's where you want to go in, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Fortune favors the bold, right? I have so much faith in Bruno, honestly. I think he's going to be the catch of the year.
Yep.
100%. I don't even know what it is, but I don't have to know. It's Bruno, right? Bruno's going to do it. Let's go. Bruno, do you put protection on Bruno?
Yeah, we just did.
Perfect.
So right. Bruno, yes. Take us to the moon, Bruno.
Yeah, we're going to go to the moon. Yeah, let's see on Monday how that goes. So now we have house, groceries, teeth, and horses. Perfect.
All right, let's find something else to
what's happening to the agenda thing? Is it going down? Did the Head and Shoulder playing?
Probably.
Yeah, I think so. No, I'm scared. Oh, it's happening.
33% dump.
It's happening.
You lost all your money.
Well, I got my screenshot anyway, so.
Yeah, just screenshot's good, right? Screenshot.
Yeah, it's there forever.
Yeah. Exactly.
boy, it's playing out. It's playing out. Yeah,
Hmm.
exactly as predicted, I would say.
Exactly as predicted.
As predicted. Yeah.
Boom.
Oh well, that's it was inevitable.
Easy come, easy go. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah,
Do you want to
oh
go
boy.
hunting and see if we can
Yeah.
find something to house horses, groceries, and teats?
Yeah, I don't know, man. If there's nothing good happening here, I'm thinking we should just go into something that we already have, right? Maybe check out some of our good plays that maybe could turn us in. Oh, look, what's this? Hmm.
Cabal. What's Cabal? Who's this guy?
Cabal.
He's like a TV guy.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
Again, these guys who don't even bother
No, they just put to
putting
a
the
tweet.
tweet
The
and
website
not
is a
even
tweet.
that they can delete quickly. Wow. This is not gonna rug.
No, of course not. No way, man. No way.
No way, no way. What's this?
Techno? This is like a king on a hill into a pixelated universe.
What? What the heck?
Yeah. I mean, this is not gonna rag either.
Clearly not. Yes. See how much work he went into this, right? Put into this? Jesus.
It's probably a screenshot or something as early as this.
He didn't
Damn.
bother to get AI to help fix it up. No.
No. Trump card. Oh wow.
Wow.
15 million.
Mish. I'm not buying that.
Yeah. Trump card is probably going to rug.
Yeah, it's
Just
called
saying.
a rug card.
Yeah. I don't want to hold it.
What the hell? Jafar? What? And I don't even think that is Jafar.
I'm surprised they've not done a Snow White token
I know
after
exactly.
the
After
train wreck.
it flopped, right? Chubby.
This is going to the drain
Yeah.
before even it started.
Exactly. Origin of Pepe.
Oh my god.
The
What's
origin
with
of
the
Rug Pay.
yeah? What's with the dude? There's one called Dude, number 6. Oh my god. It's like
Wow.
a cyclop with a glass of wine.
Dude. Like, why do people do this, man? Jesus. I guess because I guess it must be free money or something like that.
Yeah. You know, those are Ethereum gold. What?
Hmm.
Oh my god.
It's like
Those
liquidity
are
not locked, and it's in Uniswap, so no,
isn't it on Ethereum?
it's on Ethereum.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Damn. Fitcoin. Hey, we have Fitcoin, man. Number 19. We gotta
19.
look into the feet.
Ooh, Feedcoin. All right.
Fitcoin.
This is it. This is it.
100,
We early.
178.
We early.
We're early on feet. You miss
We're early
teats
on
and
feet.
butts. Teats, now feet. Is screaming it. Are we getting feet?
Yeah, we're getting feet.
Nice. Fitcoin. That's it.
Warning.
Solid
We're
choice.
early.
Good sign, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Warning, check.
Mm-hmm. Let's get our feet on.
We need to put some protection on the feet, though.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the 1 hour. Look at Bruno. Look at that. Boom. Let's go, Bruno.
Let's see here. Bruno. Is it pumping? No.
Yeah, it's pumping.
Oh my god.
Between
I
50%.
think that was us
Half.
buying it.
Yeah,
Putting our $10 in.
probably most
Damn.
likely. Nice. I have faith on feet. Nice.
Mm-hmm. Give me
It's a
that
good
stinky
catch.
feet, man. Give me that stinky feet.
Yeah. That's gonna do it. It's gonna do it.
Feet to the moon. Man, this
Oh,
one, I thought this
I
thing
haven't.
would be in the toilet when we came back. It's still here. I bet
Yeah.
you it's gonna get
Yeah.
us paid.
I am also very surprised about it, to be honest. Let me put the like on the show. I
Mm-hmm.
haven't. Ooch. I haven't liked the stream yet.
So we loaded up on Bruno again. Damn. Damn.
Yeah, we will. We might regret that, but hey, there is a chance we're going to be millionaires.
Exactly.
So
Bloodline security.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
chance is slim, but
Hey.
it's a chance.
Mm-hmm. That's all that matters. Okay. All right, guys. Let's get on to the Q&A for today. After we did some filthy work here.
Yeah,
Let's see here.
towel ready.
Oops, sorry. I gotta sell something. Should I sell my gold or my silver or my Bitcoin? Ooh, good question.
That's a good
If you
one.
absolutely have to sell something,
Well, you want to sell the thing who pumped the most, right? You don't want to sell the
exactly,
thing who hasn't pumped yet. So I would say gold.
exactly, yeah, exactly.
I don't know if you agree.
Yep.
Because
So we
the
go.
return on the return, yeah, because gold has gone. What is the price now? Is it still
30.
over
It was like
3,000?
3,100.
So yeah, I mean technically, no financial advice, but gold is pumped, Bitcoin hasn't. So I will play my cards in selling the one who has made me money and keep the one who's going to.
Exactly. Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know about silver. I don't know what silver is doing, but
Silver's just steady, right? It's moving steady, slowly up, but it hasn't broken its. You know what? Silver is the only commodity in the whole entire planet that's never broken its all-time high.
wow, didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Manipulation,
Yours?
a smidge,
No,
a smidge.
no, clearly not.
Yeah,
I mean, the fact that they got caught manipulating it, right, over and over again, and now there's so much so that there used to be like articles of people saying that there's no manipulation and people like me are crazy. Now those articles, and when I go looking for them, they're all gone. These jacks
yeah,
all took them down, right?
of course.
And these were
Wonder where the
prominent
article.
figures in the investment space.
Yeah,
So yeah, obviously, right? It's now the manipulation is just institutionalized, and it's like, okay, well, that's now what's going on. It's not. It's no longer manipulation. It's just normal market behavior. Their manipulation.
yeah, fair enough.
So, anyways, it's silver. Silver will the day when silver gets its light in the sun, it will be absolutely, like huge. It'll be massive. Silver will just go up, and people will be like, "What the hell's going on?" And
That just
honestly,
happened
it's
here.
because it was suppressed so long, and we used it up like it was a commodity that was everywhere, and we used it in such a way that we can't recycle it unless it's $3,000,
Yep.
right? So there it is. it's got to meet the price of gold just for us to get started recycling it.
Do you think we will be able to see silver breaking the all-time high in the next, I don't know, 10 years?
Yeah,
Is
I
it
think
possible?
it might be possible that we see it this year.
Nice. That would be
Yeah,
nice.
silver looks good to break out because I think at some point gold can't. Everybody's piling into gold. They'll start going, okay, well, I need to get something cheaper, and right, they're gonna look at Bitcoin and say if they're saying it's cheap, I need something cheaper, then Bitcoin will not be it. It will be silver.
Yeah, fair enough. There is a good question in the chat. Harry also said, okay, you play that one, then we go on next.
So what Terry say?
He's saying, will Bitcoin go down to 50,000? We can answer that one after
Okay.
the one you put it up. In
Okay.
3 months from now, Bitcoin will reach 260K. Wow, dude. That's
All right.
that's the hopium there. So
Yeah, I like
quite a
that.
bit.
Hopium. Yeah. So Bitcoin 50K is the next question.
He would say, will Bitcoin down to 50K? Yeah, there you go.
Maybe, maybe not. Right?
Yeah,
It's not impossible. It's just lower probability of that.
I agree. Also, we have to remember that the ETF, which started January 11 last year, 2024, whenever the ETF started, the price of Bitcoin was, I think it was 47,000
47. Yeah.
or something. So I believe it's not going to go lower than that. So that if even in the bear market, they are not going to let it go lower than 47. That's what I think.
I think there would be a lot of
So
buying.
yeah, but 260 in 3 months, dude, that's a lot of hopium, because bear in mind the next 3 months are basically summer when the price is never. I mean, hey, I don't know. I'm speculating also, so it could be, but I don't think so.
Well, this question here. You have to understand. There's the president's working group on the what's it called, economy, or so, yeah, I think it's on the economy. President's working group on economics or something like that. But anyways, that group is actually called, that's the technical name for it, but it's actually nicknamed by the stock market as the plunge protection team.
Yeah.
Right. And so if he really wanted interest rates lower, he could have gotten it from the pledge protection team. So I think it's something else he's after. Okay. Will we ever see a proper alt season again? No. Because the alt season that we saw was based on the fact that there was very few cryptos to buy.
That's a good point. Remember the 20,000 meme coins a day we've seen in this cycle? 20,000 meme coins a day. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. 20,000. Jesus.
I mean, do you think there will be, going to this question, do you think we will see some good altcoins like, I don't know, Cardano, the usual, right? Chainlink and Ethereum pump? Or at some point when, I mean, stay with me here. I know it's hopium, but when Bitcoin is gonna run to a stupid price, well, people will take profit into some of the altcoins, or the rotation move is over.
I don't know.
Is there a possibility there?
It is a possibility, but I don't think so, because it's just a risk move, right, at this point. And with, especially if we go to war in Europe, the odds of that drops dramatically to zero, because everybody's going to be on capital preservation during a war.
Yeah, I don't know how Bitcoin would react to it, but I know how gold will react to it. Gold is
Yeah,
going to do
yeah,
very well.
exactly.
Big.
Well, over like, what's your time frame, right? If your time frame is to trade gold, then you should look at it as a trade. Oh, excuse me. Sorry, I woke up at 2:30 this morning, and I couldn't go back to sleep, and then I worked out and with a trainer, and man, he messed me up. That's why I'm sitting down. Anyways, yeah, I would say that you can trade gold to earn money, but you could do that with Bitcoin because you can short it. Um,
Mhm.
Assuming that you're saying for long term, right? Because that's what you should be using any of these assets for, is for long term, right? It is Bitcoin if you're looking for a bigger alpha, right? Long term, because Bitcoin will 10x gold, could 10x, but it's unlikely. It has a lower probability of that.
I agree. I also like your answer. It depends on the time frame. Like if you think about in terms of trillions of dollars, gold now has 20 trillion invested into it, and Bitcoin is about 2. Actually, a little bit less because we probably corrected. So you have a chance of a 10x, like Da Vinci said, in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin will, I mean, I think, go to 20 trillion at some point.
Yeah,
So
I'll catch up to gold before
yeah.
the end of the whole. Before it becomes money, it'll be at gold and higher.
Hmm. Yep.
Well, I think the
Indeed.
timeline. What do you think the timeline for what's it called? Um,
Bitcoin
200K
to get to
Bitcoin?
200.
I don't know. We could get there this year. I don't know when, but this year we can do it. Right? Okay.
It's possible.
Is DCA and the BTC for the next 15 years a good pension? Definitely. Definitely.
100%. Yeah. I mean,
100%.
that's my play. At least that's what I'm doing.
Yeah. Yeah, 4 a.m. It was 4:30 really, but I got up at 2:30 and oh man, I'm dying. Not have money. Oh, so if you don't have any money because you don't have any Bitcoin, you need to, like, if you watch Netflix, there's your money right there. Right? If you have any kind of streaming platform that you're paying monthly for, there's your money right there. Put that money into Bitcoin and then assume like you just watched Netflix with that money. You paid for Netflix. It's not coming back, right? Until years into the future when you retire, right?
Yeah.
So just assume it's gone. That's it. Somebody says, "Hey, can I borrow money?" Or can I? Or you go, "Hey, man, I could really get that new car because I really need a car." You don't use that money because it's not there for that. It's there for the long haul.
Can I add something which is
Mm-hmm.
super well said, by the way? I don't think you should say I don't have money, because there is always money.
Mm-hmm.
It's like math. So if you track into an Excel sheet your expending versus your earnings, it's impossible not to have money. Like if you make X amount of money a month and you spend Y amount of money a month, you just have to be in profit, meaning you have to cut some of these spendings. It's impossible. It's math, right? Change flat, go and live with someone, go back with your mom, whatever you have to do to stay in green, and use the money in green wisely into investing them. The I have no money doesn't exist. It's impossible, because if you don't have money, get a job. If you have a job, you have bills, right? So as long as you check consistently, and I've done it for so long myself, so you know, I understand, I resonate with that message,
Mm-hmm.
but just track the spending. And you don't have to fix it overnight, but get into the journey of how much money I'm making versus how much money I'm spending. Save as much as you can,
Mm-hmm.
invest wisely, and have a 10 years time frame. You'll be fine. It's
Mm-hmm.
just, right, and you can get also a part-time job. You can get paid in crypto. You can do so much. Sunday,
Exactly.
Saturday, instead of staying home and watching Netflix, get a job, getting paid in Bitcoin. There is always a way to free yourself. It might take a little bit, maybe 10 plus years, but as long as you begin, you'll be okay.
Exactly. See, preach, man, preach. That's how you do it, right? Oh, this is interesting. What this is? What's it called? MS.
MicroStrategy.
Is it MicroStrategy? What are you doing? What MicroStrategy is
Yeah.
doing? What is MicroStrategy doing? It's just buying Bitcoin, right? By issuing, saying, hey, give me your money. I'm gonna go buy Bitcoin, and you're like, what? What kind of terms am I getting? 0% interest rate. You're like, no, I don't like that. There's got
Yeah.
to be another reason. Well, everybody else is doing it, and yeah, it's because you can convert that debt into stock if my stock goes up by 30%. Okay, got it. And then you could borrow it against the stock to get the money back. Boom.
Exactly. So there is a lot of people, they are using the called MicroStrategy play. I don't like it personally because I don't think dollar is money. So I like to accumulate real money, which is Bitcoin. So if you buy MicroStrategy, you have a proxy to Bitcoin. You don't have Bitcoin. Because if Michael Saylor tomorrow goes mental and he decides to do certain things, your MicroStrategy bag is going to be worth nothing. Whether if you hold Bitcoin in self custody, well, you are a king, right? But there's many people I know, they decided to, copy the Michael Saylor strategy. It's definitely not for me, but it could work for some people. Yeah.
So this is a good question. Well, if you plan, it can go to your heirs, right? You have to plan that, right? But if you don't plan, it's still there for everybody to see, but nobody can access it because you're dead, right? Unless they had the passwords. Right?
Yeah. But you
That's
know
it.
where that goes? That goes into everyone who holds Bitcoin.
Bitcoin's pocket. Yeah.
So exactly. So let's say, I love this question, but thank you, Bandar. Let's say,
Hello? Oh, shit. I think we lost Maurizio there. All right, guys. Well, I'll just wrap it up here. Thank you guys all for watching. Appreciate you coming out today. It's been a great show. And yeah, wish he could have finished his answer there, but yeah, got disconnected. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.